happy hour kit video for What Time Is It Anyway? The game show where the points don't matter, everything is made up, especially the news, and no one has any idea what the hell is going on. Welcome to 2020. So the first thing that we're going to do is take our glass, and we're going to fill it with ice. Our whiskey. I'm going to use Canadian Club. You can use whatever whiskey you want. Just realize that this drink, the whiskey, is going to come through more so than the other two drinks. So if you wanted to use a finer whiskey or a finer rum, now's probably more the time to do it. It won't come as through the other ones because they are quite strong and thick. So this one is lighter for sure. All fall drinks, all fall flavors, but this one's definitely the lighter on the palate of all three. So let's get into it. We're going to take our whiskey, and we're going to put in about 1.5 ounces. If you want to add more or less, I mean, that's totally up to you. Next, we're going to take our syrup, and we're going to use about 1 ounce, 1.25 ounces, 1.5 ounces. About 1.5 ounces. If you find it too sweet, you can use less. If you find it needs more, you guys have about 7 ounces, so go for it. So this is the syrup. Then we're gonna just top it off with sparkling water. Next, we'll take a spoon. If you have a bar spoon, you can use a bar spoon. I'm just gonna use the same spoon. Slowly work our way up. Next, we're going to garnish it with a lime slice, or in our case, a lime wheel. So with that lime slice, we're actually going to go around the mouth because we want that smell to be the first thing that hits us. So we're going to go just around the mouth of the glass, back to where it was. And there you have it, guys. Cheers. Oh, it's nice. The pear with the thyme and the only thing that's missing is the lemon that'll be in your sparkling water. But this is a beautiful drink. It's light, it's refreshing, and feels great. Like those warmer days, this is what to go for. On the colder days, like something warm and comforting, the other two are definitely more in the cards. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to subscribe to my website or follow me on Facebook, keep up to date. We're doing some really fun things, especially for Halloween. I'm really excited for next month. We're going to be coming up with some more individual kits. Right now, I've already launched my Bloody Caesar kit, so if you want to add on a Bloody Caesar and have some amazing spicy pickles, oh my god, they're so good. I can barely keep them because I eat them, and I keep eating them. I keep eating them. I need to stop eating so many damn pickles. But really, like, keep an eye out for some really fun things coming your way. The other cocktails will be above. Please let me know in the description which one was your favorite, what you liked, what you didn't like, any comments, any whatever. I'm definitely down to hear what you guys had to say. Any new recipes that you guys came up with all of my ingredients. I mean, I've used apple butter in countless things. I've used the pumpkin one in a couple of different things. Who knows, man? You can marinate some meats with that. Yeah, let me know. Let me know what you guys have done. I'm really curious. Yeah. Love you guys. Till next time.